Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have the app installed and permissions granted. Now begin. Open screen lock time password, accept device admin when prompted, and allow notifications. These let the app detect time events. Next, grant overlay so the lock screen replaces the default. Make sure battery optimization is off so it runs continuously. Then choose 24-hour or 12-hour mode and select numeric lock. This establishes the base from which time-based passwords. Now configure how the password is generated and enforced. Tap password formula and pick a template like HM or HH, or enter a custom seed to mix characters. This controls how the current time turns into your code. Once done, set active hours and retry limits. Choose an emergency unlock method so you never lock yourself out. Also enable hints, vibration, and a small time drift tolerance to account for clock skew, which keeps the system usable and secure. Lock your screen and try the generated password immediately to confirm everything works. If it fails, first synchronize your device clock to network time, and then reopen the app to verify the formula you chose. Small mismatches break the code. Make sure no time-manipulating apps or alternative overlays interfere. Finally, store a backup PIN in a secure place. If something goes wrong, this will regain access and let you adjust settings without losing data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.